this is Inna with Innichka Chef and welcome to my kitchen. Today in episode we are making vareniki. On my YouTube channel I have several kinds of pierogies or different dumplings, and I will link below to just compare and similar, some with meat, some with cheese, with berries, and I will link all below in descriptions. They're all unique and different in dough and fillings, but today we are making vegan and with mushroom. Very simple, very basic. That's what my mom used to make during Great Lent when we fast, or really something for quick dinner or weeknight dinner, something quick, easy. I will show you how to make. We need simple mushroom. I already pre-chopped. Any mushroom will work. I chose the easiest, the bottom mushrooms, very quick. Onion, and we need 1 cup of chopped onion and 1 cup of sliced onion. Potato, I already boiled, they're nice and steamy, soft. Also, I will use some fresh parsley, which is optional but nice. And as the spices, I will use granulated garlic, not salt, but garlic. Some dried dill. If you have fresh, lucky you, use it. I don't have, unfortunately. And a little bit of turmeric. This vareniki will be unique color, will be a combination of 2 different colors, and with little bit turmeric, just nice color, yellow, will be bright and more festive looking, but it's optional. I will show you how I will do it. Salt, pepper, and also sunflower oil, sunflower oil from Ukraine, made in Ukraine, which is wonderful, gives so much aroma, and I like this oil. I use this oil quite a bit of many of my recipes, and I'll link below where to get this exact oil. And for the dough, we simply all-purpose flour, salt, hot water, and the same oil. That's it. Very simple. Let's do it. So take a flour. It's 1 pound of flour. We may need a little bit more. And hot water. We need 300 grams of hot water. And 5 tablespoons of oil. This dough will be very elastic and easy and pleasant to work with. Pinch of salt, and that's about it. You can use electric mixer with hook attachment, but I will just do with hand, quick and easy for me. Now, we want this dough to be rest a little bit, at least 20 minutes. And to not get dry and crusty, we'll cover. And now we'll repeat the same thing, but make yellow dough. So again, 1 pound of flour. And 300 grams of water, hot water. Looks like with eggs. Nice dough, beautiful color. And need dough just for a minute or 2 until it all comes together. And I think that's it. I think we're done. Just to rest. Or you can use Ziploc bag, either way. All right. To the pan, add a little bit of oil. Few tablespoons of oil. And chopped chopped onions. And on medium heat, let's saute. Salt, about ½ teaspoon, and black pepper. Garlic and dried dill, and cook for about 2-3 minutes, or just until everything gets translucent. And we're using 2 pounds of boiling potato, hot and cooked, and I recommend to press while they are hot. Now add some salt, and I would say like 1 teaspoon. It's a lot of potato, it's 2 pounds. Some skin we took off, but still it's a lot of potato. A little bit of pepper, and cooked beautiful, nice and soft with dill mushrooms. And parsley, a lot of parsley. I can't live without greens, right? I will leave a little bit just for the garnish, just a little bit. Now give a nice mix. Look how beautiful. It's perfect. Dough, white dough, the one we made first. It's nice and soft, and we're going to divide in 3. Each one, keep generous amount of flour. Make a little like a sausage roll type thing. Yeah, nice and soft. This one a little bit softer for whatever reason. And doing the same thing, cut in 3. Now we make all kind of sausage looking dough, and now we're going to roll yellow first. Just a little roll, little. Take white dough and roll. And now kind of pinch white sausage inside of yellow sausage. Basically, we try to seal white inside of yellow. And you may have to little pinch. I think we made the same way when I made with kimchi and venison. I think we cut the same way pierogies as well, and I call dumplings. There was the pot sticks, I think. Look how beautiful that thing inside. Now we're rolling. Each one you pinch and press and then roll. Place about 1 spoon, generous amount, I would say, of your potato, mushroom, onion filling, and pinch. Even they without sour cream and butter and eggs, they're still so soft and very elastic, and they will be delicious. Add a little bit of oil, slice onion, and your reserved potato skin, and fry everything together. This is we're going to use for garnish our pierogies after they cook, after they boil. With more oil. And we want to cook until potato skin slightly brown and crisp, and onion nice and brown. Look how many we made. I just used 1/3 of all dough, and we already made 2 dozen, and they're quite a bit large, so if you want smaller, you get even more of pierogi. They're beautiful, and we're going to boil them just for 1-2 minutes. It's like fresh pasta cooked very fast cook in salt water like pasta. When it's boiling water we cooked, and after they swim on top, it means they are ready. And we're going to top them with the fried onion and fried potato skin. Sounds delicious, right? Salted water. Look how pretty they are. So you see they all swimming on top. They are done. It doesn't take too long to cook because everything is cooked beside pasta. You can fry them afterwards, and sometimes I do. But my mom never fry unless it's leftover and she has to serve next day. Add a little bit of this fried onion and potato skin. Little bit of parsley. Time to taste. And if you're not going to eat right away and if it's going to transport or wait, I recommend drizzle with some olive oil or sunflower extra virgin olive oil, really something, and give nice toast. That way they will be coated and not stick together. But I'm going to eat immediately. I'm so hungry, so I don't worry about that part. And oh my goodness, this little bit of this onion potato skin fry, and it's going to be fantastic, I can tell. Just like my mom made, except she add more oil. It's much more. They are swimming in it, oil or butter if it's not vegan. But either way, it's delicious. I think you enjoy this pierogies very much. I hope I inspire you to make it and see how easy to work with this dough. Make it and feed your family and friends. Give me a like and subscribe. I will link below similar related recipes, Ukraine or similar dumplings already I made and posted. And please cook from scratch and feed your family. Bye, see you next time.